Welcome to my channel, where we don't just talk about attraction, we delve deeper and understand how it works. If this is your first time visiting, I'm Amelia, and today we'll be discussing a topic that many men suffer from silently, often without even talking about it. How do you attract a woman you don't like? Not at first, at least. Attraction, eye contact, desire, and emotional connection aren't always straightforward. A woman might not show immediate interest, but that doesn't mean the door is closed forever. Sometimes a small change in your energy, your way of thinking, or your behavior is enough to open her heart to something unexpected. So if you're looking at this and thinking, I don't stand a chance, stop right now, because what you're about to learn could completely change the situation. Everyone deserves to feel appreciated, loved, and respected. And often, it's not big dramatic steps that create attraction, but small changes that make a difference. That's what we'll focus on today. Simple yet effective strategies that will gradually transform quiet indifference into enthusiasm and curiosity into genuine engagement. Instead of sitting back and waiting for the perfect moment, we'll learn how to create that moment naturally. We'll see how confidence, charisma, subtle psychological influences, emotional presence, and self-control can help you stand out in her mind, even if she hasn't seen you that way before. So take a deep breath, be open-minded, and let's move forward together, because everything starts with quiet confidence and a genuine smile. Let's begin with something crucial, yet often misused: eye contact. Eye contact plays a vital role in building rapport, but we're not talking about fleeting glances or exchanging mocking looks. We're talking about intentional, calm, and affectionate eye contact. Here's a fact most men haven't heard. When you're talking to her, slowly focus on her left eye. Neurological studies suggest that looking into a woman's left eye can trigger the release of oxytocin, also known as the love or bonding hormone. It's the same hormone released during a warm hug, moments of trust building, and emotional intimacy. Oxytocin generates feelings of security, connection, and warmth. So, the next time you speak to her, slow down, relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and look her in the eyes calmly and confidently. It's not forced, it's not coercive, and it's certainly not frightening. Keep your gaze warm and steady, a look that quietly says, I see you, I respect you, you're safe here. This kind of eye contact creates a sense of quiet familiarity and helps her feel noticed without pressure or expectations. And that's a truth many people avoid. Words can be deceiving, but eyes rarely lie. When your eyes reflect honesty, emotional balance, and quiet confidence, they leave a lasting impression even without saying much. This silent communication is often more powerful than any words spoken. Now let's turn to something very simple, yet incredibly powerful: your scent. Studies show that men who use attractive fragrances not only feel more confident, but also perceive themselves as more attractive. This is because scent is directly linked to the brain's emotional memory center, where it can instantly evoke memories of feelings, moments, and people. Therefore, your scent can become part of the image others have of you. When you choose a fragrance that suits you perfectly, a clean, calming, and inviting scent, rather than a strong or cheap one, it can be a subtle way of signaling your presence. Imagine this scenario. You're not near her, but suddenly you detect a familiar scent in the air, the same scent you wore when you hugged her or stood beside her. At that moment, effortlessly, she's thinking of you. A good fragrance acts as a psychological anchor. It supports emotions, creates a sense of comfort, builds intimacy, and subtly enhances your attractiveness. Choose a fragrance that suits your personality. If you are calm and reserved, woody or musky scents will suit you perfectly. If you're more mysterious or alluring, subtle spices or deep citrus might suit you better. The goal isn't to attract attention, but to leave a lasting impression. Small details like these create rapport without words, and that's where true attraction begins. Now, let's look at what holds many men back before they even start: anxiety. It's perfectly normal to feel anxious about a woman you like, especially if she doesn't seem interested. But here's an important truth. You don't have to react with aggression. There are natural ways to support your nervous system so your true self can shine through. Some men find that natural supplements help them calm down and feel more at ease. The Athena extract in green tea helps calm your mind without making you sleepy, helping you stay alert and feel relaxed. Ashwagandha is known to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone that helps your body relax under pressure. Magnesium glycinate also helps relax muscles, relieve tension, and improve sleep, which may have a greater impact on your self-confidence than you might realize. When your body relaxes, your mind will follow. And when you're relaxed, you won't overthink every word or gesture. Your natural confidence will begin to emerge. Attraction is heightened when you're mentally present, not when it's trapped in your thoughts. So, when you have the chance to spend time with her, whether it's a casual encounter or a first date, remember this. It's okay to feel anxious. What matters is how you manage it. Here's a simple change that can improve how you feel about your energy before the meeting. Before the meeting, call someone who truly cares about you. Call a parent, a close friend, a sibling, anyone who makes you feel safe and supported. Hearing a familiar, comforting voice activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which reduces stress and anxiety. This deeply reminds you that you already possess value. You're not seeking acceptance. You're choosing to wait. This tranquility will become your emotional foundation. You'll help it when you enter relaxed, smiling, and emotionally balanced. You'll project quiet confidence, not arrogance. This is the energy of someone who doesn't need to prove themselves. He seems to be the same as always, and that kind of presence is incredibly appealing. She might not consciously notice the change, but she'll feel more confident, open, and curious around you. Now, let's talk about the date itself. Most men have the same predictable plans: dinner, coffee, a movie. It's not bad, but it can sometimes lead to emotional conclusions. Attraction requires feelings. If you want to change how she sees you, you need to make her feel something different. Instead of sitting face to face, choose a unique experience. Choose something that excites her, piques her curiosity, or even gives her an adrenaline rush. It could be a surprise trip to a beautiful place, an escape room, a dance, an axe throw, a small live performance, a unique art exhibition, or anything unexpected. Feelings are what create memories. When she feels happy or experiences something new with you, her brain begins to associate those feelings with your presence. Psychologists call this phenomenon emotional arousal misinterpretation. When a person feels happy, they subconsciously link that feeling to the person they are with. Simply put, when her heart races, she starts to wonder why she feels that way because of you. These experiences can change how you see yourself. You might have categorized yourself as just a friend, but emotional moments can subtly shift that perception. Over time, those little adventures you share transform into unforgettable stories, cherished memories, and deeply felt emotions. Another important and often overlooked aspect is how you interact with others when you're together. Be respectful and friendly to your hosts, staff, and strangers. The goal isn't to pretend to be someone you're not, but to show your true self. Women notice this deeply. When you handle social situations with ease, humility, and quiet confidence, a woman sees a man who is socially competent and emotionally mature. This builds trust and also helps her relax because she feels capable of handling life's ups and downs without losing control. When the bill arrives, keep it simple. Don't announce it. Don't pretend you'll pay. Pay it calmly and smoothly when you have the chance. This demonstrates humility, generosity without expecting thanks, and control without being domineering. True trust is firmly rooted and stable. When you realize you've been treated with disrespect, it fosters respect and a sense of security. Finally, don't rush into intimacy, especially towards the end of a date. One of the biggest mistakes men make is forcing a woman to kiss to ensure the date's success. Consent is powerful, and mystery creates attraction. If the timing is right, let it be. If not, don't force it. Sometimes it's better to surprise her than to rush to end the moment. When she feels warmth, confidence, and emotional stability, it will stay with her for a long time. Attraction isn't about pressure, it's about presence. When you combine quiet confidence, emotional awareness, and subtle desire, you give her space to experience something new. In that space, attraction grows naturally. You don't have to convince her. There's no need to rush. You just need to be the best version of yourself. You'll notice it over time. You'll feel a difference when you're around her. Remember, true attraction isn't built in a hurry. It's built slowly through perseverance, respect, and emotional depth. Be patient and honest, and most importantly, be honest with yourselves, because positive energy always finds the right heart. Often, this is just the beginning, not the end. So instead of overdoing it, end the evening with a warm hug, a genuine smile, and a quiet, sincere, "I had a wonderful time tonight." Then go your separate ways. Sit with relaxed shoulders and a clear mind. Let her reflect for a while. Let her feel curious enough for a small thought to cross her mind. What will happen next? This is a question she'll want to ask herself. Let her think about the upcoming encounter on her own. Let her feel a gentle sense of prophecy slowly growing within her. For what is left unsaid, what is left unexplained, or what is offered hastily creates an emotional burden. This emotional burden transforms into a real burden. This is how mystery is created. She goes from a man she barely notices to a man she thinks about when she is alone with her thoughts. Take a moment and be completely honest with yourself. Attraction isn't about sweet words, funny stories, or planning the perfect date. It's about who you are when you're with her, and especially who you are when you're not. And therein lies the dilemma for many men. They focus all their attention on the woman. They think about what she thinks, what she feels, how to impress her, and how to keep her attention. But true attraction begins elsewhere. It begins with a profound shift in your thinking, a quiet transformation within you. You need to understand a simple truth. Women are naturally drawn to men who evolve. Not perfect men, not rich or famous men, but men who visibly improve mentally and emotionally over time. This is where Stoicism comes in. Stoicism isn't about hiding your feelings or pretending to be cold. It's about learning how to control your reactions. It's about focusing your energy on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. It's about building a stable inner state that's hard to shake. When a woman hears that you're a man who doesn't crumble after rejection, who doesn't crave validation, and who doesn't base his self-confidence on his reactions, something changes in how she sees you. Her mind won't be able to easily categorize you. You'll be different from her. You'll feel grounded and stable. You'll feel like you're the foundation of her existence. You won't see her as needing someone to complete her. This alone will make her want to focus on you, not the other way around. So try to be that man for yourself, not for her. Start with small habits. Read books that strengthen your mind, move your body, do weightlifting exercises, or take a steady walk. Set simple daily goals and stick to them. Practice moments of silence and tranquility. Get rid of everything that causes you stress, such as constant searching, comparing yourself to others, and exhausting habits that drain your energy. When you possess emotional balance, women notice it without you saying a word. They perceive the change in your behavior, and when they understand it, they are naturally drawn to you. One of the most powerful elements of attraction is the psychological tension that arises from balance, a presence tempered with space, warmth tempered with control, and desire tempered with mystery. It's the feeling she gets when she's with you and realizes you're not trying to seduce her. You're simply there, calm, comfortable in your own skin, and fully aware of the passage of time. This quality is rare. Most men talk too much, exert too much effort, and spend their money too quickly. But men who attract women are often comfortable in silence. They listen more than they speak, and when they do speak, their words are slow and deliberate. They let eye contact speak volumes. This kind of presence creates tension. It makes you wonder what she's thinking. It makes you lean forward. It makes her ask questions. Gently invite her to spend some time with you. When she starts thinking about you more than herself, the situation changes completely. That's when attraction will naturally begin to grow. Here's a simple but effective tip. Speak less and focus on your feelings. Don't try to impress her. Focus on maintaining your self-respect when you speak. Rise slowly. Pause for a moment. Let your words breathe. Express your feelings without fear. Don't boast. Don't tell your whole life story. Be present. Talk about the things that matter to you, the things that move you, the things that guide your life. When you speak from this place, from a place of honesty and quiet confidence, you will cease to be like all the other men you have ever met. She starts by speaking honestly, and that voice will stay with her long after you're gone. Another important aspect of attraction is feeling safe. Not just physically, but emotionally. If a woman doesn't notice you at first, it's often because she doesn't feel safe enough to open up to you. Attraction needs trust to grow, so every little step matters. How you listen, how you respond to disagreements, and how you respect her boundaries, all of this should send the implicit message. You're safe with me. I'm not here to control you, but to help you. When a woman feels emotionally secure, her defenses melt away. When she lets go of her inhibitions, her heart will open to you. Then, even a woman who previously ignored you might truly reach out for the first time. Seize this opportunity. Attraction is energy, not effort. You can buy gifts, plan perfect dates, and write clever messages. But if your energy stems from a problem, she'll immediately sense it and ignore you. But if your energy comes from a consistent purpose and unwavering affirmation, she will sense it too. So stop chasing after her. Start meditating. Bring everything together. Now you've learned how eye contact can create an emotional connection, how your presence can leave a lasting impression even after you're gone, how unspoken trust speaks louder than words. Silence can be more powerful than endless chatter. True attraction doesn't come from putting on a lot of effort, but from genuine affection. You can't win a woman's heart by force, but by your personality. Most men make the same mistake, trying to convince a woman of their love by trying to be funny, rich, loud, or powerful. But attraction doesn't work that way. When a woman is truly attracted to a man, it's not because he's attracted to her, but because his energy has transformed the atmosphere around him. This is the change you are creating now. You will become the man who draws you in quietly, the man who understands the power of silence, the man who listens attentively, smiles with his eyes, and maintains his inner peace. This man doesn't beg for love. He demands it. Make her curious about you. Women are naturally curious, but only men possess depth, purpose, and meaning. Consider why you don't rush things. Do you understand why she feels comfortable with you even though she doesn't know much about you? Why do small details about you stick in her mind? Why is she checking her phone and thinking about you when she never cared before? This curiosity creates an emotional moment. Let it grow. Make her crave you. When the relationship dynamic shifts from pursuit to contrast, you stop trying to attract her. Instead, she starts trying to understand you. And here lies the true magic. It's a truth most women don't say, but they all feel it. A man's worth is revealed in how she feels about herself when she's with him. Does she feel seen? Does she feel heard? Does she feel understood? Does she feel beautiful? It's not about what you say, but how your energy affects her. If the answer is yes, then she not only loves you, but also respects you. And respect is the foundation of deep attraction. Take this as a conclusion. You don't need every woman to love you, or even to approve of you. All you need is to be emotionally balanced, content with yourself, and steadfast in your purpose. When she finally notices you, it won't be because you're used to receiving attention. This is because you're someone who can't be ignored. The next time you meet a woman who seems uninterested, don't hesitate. Don't rush. Don't get angry. Smile. Stand tall and calmly remind yourself that you don't know her yet. And maybe one day she'll get angry with me. Thanks for following me today. If something here changes how you see yourself, hit the like button so the message reaches others. Share your initial thoughts in the comments. I've read them all. If you haven't subscribed yet, join Dark Psychology, where we explore what most people are talking about. Remember, attraction isn't magic. It's about change and moving forward. See you next time.